Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to install Saral accounting and billing software in your system. Before installing the software, we have to see the software and the hardware requirement required for installing the software in your system. The minimum configuration required in the system for installing the Saral accounts and Saral billing software is as shown on the screen. Please ensure that this minimum configuration is available for installing the software. On downloading the software setup from the website as shown in the previous video, save the setup in a folder. After saving the setup in the folder, double-click on the setup to start the installation. You will now be asked to install the software or not. Click on Yes, and the software installation will begin now. In the next screen, you will be shown with the setup which will be taking you further for the installation. Click on the selected option and select on Install. Next, you will be asked for the installation type, that is the single user or the multi-user. Depending on the license type, select the installation type. If it is multi-user, select on whether this is installation on the server system or on the client system, and continue by clicking on Next. Next, you will be asked for the installation of SQL Server, that is the backend of the software. Select on the installation mode and continue. The process will continue for installation of the MS SQL Server 2005 Express Edition. On completion, you will be asked to proceed ahead by clicking on Next. Then you will be prompted with the End User License Agreement. Go through the End User License Agreement, click on I agree and click on Next. Now you will be prompted for the installation path wherein the software will be installed. Provide the drive and the path where exactly the software has to be installed. Make sure that the software is not installed in C drive as the software is more frequently used. Click on Next after choosing the path and continue for the installation. On the completion, click on Close to close the installation once you get the display window of installation complete. And then click on the remaining screens. In this way, the software can be installed. Now double-click on the icon of the software shown on the desktop. This will open the software to you. Start working. Thank you for watching. For more such updates, please subscribe to our channel in YouTube.